really love you, girl. And the answer's right there. And the words I have to say, I could see the future over versus different promises.